Okay, I'm going to be using these wire strippers and cutters, and also it's got a crimper on it so that I can crimp the wire connectors. And I'll cut this wire right here so that we make sure we get good connections here. Okay, that's gone bye-bye. And then I'm going to have to strip this, and I'll use this, I believe, to strip back a ways. Okay, we just kind of cut it like this. It's hard to get the cut connected there, but that's okay. Strip it. And have to cut a little bit more. Still not quite. Stubborn. Here we go. All right. Okay. So you can see these like thread-like, I'm not sure whether nylon or what, but that strengthens the cord completely so that it doesn't come apart so easily. So, okay. Next thing we do, we're going to strip each one of these back. Let's see here. Use this down here. Let's see. 16, I believe. Okay. Strip that rascal back. Gonna have one. Do all three the same way. Okay, we've got all three of them. I believe that's far enough back. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to cut these off to get them out of the way. No real way to splice these together. This is the extra thread. Okay, got that stripped back. Okay, next, here's the where we're going to connect the extension. So to make this cord longer, pull these off like this. Okay, and needless to say, we would connect the white to white, the green to green, and the black to black. Even though this is a little bit larger wire, it's okay because these connectors will accommodate that. Okay. Notice this is a little bit larger. That accommodates going over the plastic part of this. And I'm going to take the green from this one And this goes to our carpet shampooer that we use quite frequently since we have a doggy now. That in there, making sure that it gets in that in the metal part of this connector. Slides in there. Okay, now you hold these together to make sure it doesn't slide back apart. Take the crimper. You notice the red? I think that's the size that we'll need to crimp this. Crimp it right there on the end. Just crimp it right down. Push that in there. Crimp this down good. Make sure you got a good connection there. So you pull them. If you can't pull it out, then you got a good connection. Got it?